Hey, good afternoon, people. As always, hope you guys are keeping safe and well. Today's video is about recommendation. You know, small businesses like mine and many others out there, you're always constantly looking for a reliable source for parts and things like that. So that could mean screens for iPhones, Samsung, batteries, charging flex, and the list just goes on basically. Now, I've been using Repair Outlet in the UK for a while now, and the only thing I can suggest and recommend, I should say, is that these guys are absolutely fabulous. May I just remind you that this is not a paid promotion, or I'm not being sponsored or anything like this. All right, this is purely from my own experience that these guys are just on the ball with it, basically. Okay, and what I mean by on the ball is consistency, fast delivery, no messing around. Parts are always working. With the length of time I've used these guys, okay, I only had one return out of the amount of stuff I bought, basically. And that can easily happen. And guess what? It was a no quibble return. They weren't messing around. As soon as they got the item back, they've refunded me straight away. So all I can recommend is that if you're a small repair outlet, you're looking for a reliable source, these guys are the way to go. Basically, it's a UK version of iFixit, basically, if it makes sense. That's my impression of these guys. Okay, I'm absolutely delighted, to have people like this. There are many others. Don't get me wrong. I'm not sort of slagging off other sellers and things like that. But my preferred choice is one of them. Number one is these guys. Okay, followed by many others. But these guys are reliable, consistent, fast delivery. Items are well wrapped, as you can see. What was in this box? You won't believe if I tell you what was in this box, basically. And that's how much of a care and thought that these guys have put, basically. Yep, that was in the box. Look, look at the sheer size of the box. They wanted to ensure that the item is protected. It's bubble wrapped. Everything's bubble wrapped and whatever. Look at this. Look at that, layer up and layer up and layer, and this is the faulty one, but I've fixed the iPad. All right, absolutely cracking, guys. So what I would suggest, one, that to my viewers, that if you're looking for a consistent, you're in the UK, you're looking for consistent supplies for parts, these guys are one of them that you can choose. These guys are one of them that you can choose. And, as I said, and I'm not going to recap, very good service. I will give them a thorough thumbs up. Yep, Repair Outlet, thumbs up for you guys. You guys are doing a cracking job at it, basically. And I wish you all the best. And I also wish you that the business grows into a massive, throughout the UK and globally. One of the most successful business, as you all know, that have started from a very small venture, turned into a multi-billion-pound empire. Well, look at Bill Gates, for example. Look at Apple, Steve Jobs, who started from a back garage. So put Bill Gates to the side, but let's talk about Apple. It started from a garage, and it turned into $1 billion empire, basically. So I wish these guys all the best. There's many things to talk about, but I think I'll just keep it short and simple. If you're in the UK, you're looking for parts, this is what you need to hit, basically. All right, that's all. Stay well, stay safe, and I'll be doing a loads more repairs. Sadly, I have been busy with work. It's just one of those things. It is difficult to sort of keep your concentration and also to try and do the job. The recording and the job. It can get a bit tricky for me at time to time. So I only do it when I've got plenty of time in hand, and it's one of those things. But enough said. Take care, stay well, stay safe, and I'll catch up with you on the next video. Bye for now.